Good morning, everybody. It is 6:30. Today, I just woke up, but today we're going to be doing something really fun. Today in my school, I'm going to be making a slime at lunchtime. So this is not going to be until at least 12:05. So I'm gonna stay tuned with you guys so that you guys can watch me make slime in school. I might do it even earlier than that because I have the ingredients in my book bag. I packed a container, a spoon, some glue, and some activator. I carry borax in a bottle. And yeah, so see you later. Bro, show me.
Show you how to
Show
make
my
this
face,
slime.
bro. Don't let them take my phone.
I'm sorry. Don't get your best fit on me. I'm sorry.
We're not going to use the whole bottle, just some of it. It's already a minute. Alright. Wait, let me open my fork.
You still gonna make it?
I'm making it right now.
Really?
She's a fiend bean, bro. A real one.
Those of you standing over there, please find a seat.
Oh my god, what is that?
Water.
She just did that? She just did that?
You gonna post on YouTube?
Yeah.
Who wants to go outside? Nobody.
I'm not going outside. It's too cold. It's too cold.
It ain't no 90 goddamn degrees.
It was
just snowing.
It was snowing yesterday.
That's what I'm saying.
I'm not going outside so I can catch a cold because they don't let me wear my coat. Mama will not want me to catch no cold.
I don't know why they still let us stay outside in the morning. Like, it's getting cold. Once it starts snowing, they can forget it. I'm going inside.
Exactly. All right, pause it.
What's your YouTube channel? I know you need to.
Oh my god, this looks so nice through the camera, right?
Wait, can I see? It does. You gonna edit it?